Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time being here, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video, and for those who have always been with me, thank you for always coming back. Today I'm going to show you how I uploaded this design in Cricut Design Space so that I could cut it out. Now I made this template in Silhouette Studio, and I decided that I'm going to test out the template to see how it cut and how it brushed in. So this is the result of the shirt. It is absolutely beautiful. The stones that I use Crystal AB for the outline. I used light pink for the fill, and the scissors I use amethyst. Now, if this is something you're interested in, if you want to know how to use your Cricut cutting machine to make rhinestone templates, then do stick around because I'll be teaching you how you could achieve this. Now, let us get into Cricut Design Space. Okay guys, we are in Cricut Design Space. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to get the SVG file of the template that I made in Silhouette Studio. So I'm going to go to upload, then I'm going to go to upload image, then I'm going to browse for the image, and then I'm just going to get it where I have saved it. Okay, this is the file. Now I'm going to press upload. After I upload it, I'm going to add it to the canvas. Now it may not come in the correct size, so you'll have to ensure that you have the correct size from Silhouette Studio. It came in 9.94, which is not the correct size. So I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna put the correct size. So whenever you are resizing, ensure that the lock button is closed, because when you put the correct width or the height, it automatically goes to the correct thing. So ensure that that is correct. Now I'm still checking to see if I have any bright stones, any stones on top of each other. It looks like we are good. So now I'm gonna hit make it. Okay, so we're gonna have 3 different mats. So we're gonna have the green mat, and then we're gonna have this little scissors right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to press continue. It's gonna search for my device. Okay, and I'm gonna go to my dial is set to custom, and when you set it to custom, you could choose what you want your flap to be cut out on. So I'm gonna choose a setting that I have. So I'm gonna choose browse all material, then I'm gonna search for the setting that I made. Okay, I'm gonna press OK. This is it. Then I'm gonna press done. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out this, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay guys, these are the supplies you're gonna need. You're going to need chopping mat from the Dollar Tree. You're gonna need a painter's brush. You're going to need a wax pencil. You're going to need your template that we have made or we just cut out. You're going to need transfer tape, a lint roll, the rhinestones of your choice. Today I think I'm going to use Crystal AB, light pink, and I'm thinking I'm going to use this topaz for the scissors, but let's see how these colors come together. And for this project I'm gonna use a heavy gilden cotton v-neck shirt. Hopefully this comes out good on a blue shirt. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna get your chopping mat and you're gonna take a template off. I just kept my template on the backing so that it's until I'm ready for it, and I'm gonna put that template on. Yeah. I'm gonna start with the outline. For the outline, I'm gonna use Crystal AB. So you need to dump those stones a good amount, and then you're going to brush it in a circular motion. Okay. Now you're going to take your wax pencil, and for those stones that didn't get any, if you notice one hole did not cut out here, see that? I'm going to try and push it out so that I could put so that I could put a stone in. So ensure that you take out all your holes, okay? Take my transfer tape. You're gonna form a V shape. You're just gonna let it down. Don't think about it, just let it down. You see that I missed a stone here, so I'll have to fix that. Right in the hole. It back on it until you're ready to press it so that the stones don't move out of place. Okay guys, so this is the shirt that we are going to use, I am going to go ahead and lint roll this shirt. Then I'm going to take it to my heat press and take the moisture out and find the middle. It is easy to find the middle of this shirt because of the V neck that's here. However, I'm going to go take it to my heat press and I'm gonna take the moisture out and I'm going to find the middle. I am going to put the first layer down right here when I have this big space, because what I find is that I like when my design is quite centered, and I find that when I do it over the heat press, I'm limited with the space for me to see the sides and if they're matching up. So I'm gonna layer the first layer here, and then I go to the heat press and finish the rest of it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I found the middle. Okay, now I am going to line up my design so that it looks straight. So the first layer, once you get the first layer, then it's gonna be easy to, so you're gonna take the outer layer first. I am going to find the middle somewhat, just to have an idea how I'm going to layer it. Now you have to be careful because I'm doing this with the backing still on. I don't know, I like when my stuff is layered properly. See, it looks a little bit lean. See, I don't want it to be lean. Okay, it looks straight enough. Okay, all right, so the next thing too is that the scissors is gonna be up some more, so I'm gonna take this down a little bit further because that scissors is gonna be somewhere up here. So let me see. Gonna be somewhere like this. Okay, so I could take it up a little bit more, maybe about here. Okay, this looks okay. Okay guys, so I have it on my heat press. I'm going to do the first layer for 350 degrees for 30 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. For the second layer, We're gonna put it in, sure that the stones are not on top of each other. This looks okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and press it down. Take this off. For the final layer, that's where it goes, right there. That's perfect. That's perfect. Then I'm gonna put a Teflon sheet over. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. Guys, this is nice. Put the Teflon sheet, 10 more seconds.